So keeping in mind that this woodland is next to a sports academy in between two massively developed housing estates, surprisingly tranquil. This woodland's well loved by the dog walkers. It's a regular route for me. I come through these woodlands on my way out every time that I walk out. Gorgeous, gorgeous, excuse me, old, not quite so old, very, very young woodland. And as someone who believes in putting back what has been so freely given, I took out what I needed and I put back what I can afford. It's not unusual to find me picking litter here, because yes, people love to leave their litter. But that's all about them, that's not about me. Hopefully what you're able to hear is two blackbirds marking out their territory, amongst quite a few other birds as well. Now that is a woodpecker. And I am blessed. I am lucky enough to be able to hear the woodpeckers when they start tapping out on trees such as this one. I don't think we're going to hear it today, but I'm also able to hear nesting owls. And that's not bad in my reckoning. 200 metres from a major Morrison's, 50 metres from a sports academy, 100 metres from my front room, my kitchen. On occasion, you'll even see deer in these woods, because we're building all over their homes, all over their land, where they live and have lived for centuries. They've cottoned on to the fact that the gardens that we plant and maintain are a lot more tasty than the foraging and the browsing that they're able to do out in the woodlands and out in the fields and the hedgerows. Gotta love a deer. So I came out nice and early this morning. Just wanted to share this with you. And if you decide that you want to come and hear it, it would be a privilege to take you out. If not, as simple as YouTube will get it for you. And in a short while, the birds will go quiet until the evening. How about that for an absolutely splendid oak tree? So pretty low light levels at the moment. The sun hasn't even come up properly. But today we're here for this lovely bird song. So not a particularly large woodland. Very, very pretty. Bear in mind the temperatures got up to 29 degrees yesterday in these woods. In all of that heat, there's a nice comfortable 23, 24. Amazing benefits you can get from having trees like this and woodland like this. For me, far better than any air conditioning. What a wonderful way to start my day. What a wonderful resource to have. Ah, just heard a magpie. Not the most favourite birds for those of us that like birdsong, but nature has a place. Nature has a place for all of its creatures. So this bit of woodland, or part of the woods, is a lot thinner. And I don't know if you'll be able to see or not. Hope you can. But once upon a time, this was coppiced.